I grow this my Facebook page you are seeing right here with over 3 million views in less than 7 days with over 12,000 followers. As you can see this page right now using AI. I created my AI avatar, in fact my AI twins, which I used to build this page. I don't need to go to studio, I don't need camera, I don't need mic, I don't need anything. And I was able to grow this page. If you know me with this page very well, you are going to see I was posting back to back on this page and the page pick up. Right now, this page is more than 30,000 followers. If you check the page very well, if you know me with this page, you are going to know that I'm posting back to back on this page. And everything I'm posting on this page is created by AI. Everything is free. The avatar is free. My twins avatar I created is free. And you can also be creating this type of content. Right now in 2026, you don't need camera, you don't need studio, all you need is just your smartphone. You don't even need mic to create this type of video you are seeing right here and to build your page. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like this. For free, you don't need to subscribe to any AI tool. All the AI tools I'm going to show you, which you are going to use to create your twins avatar like this, it is free. So without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. If you want to build your page from 0 followers to 30,000 followers to millions followers and get it monetized within 1 month or within 2 months, just follow this video and follow the step I'm going to show you right now in this video, and you get that your page monetized. You can use the same method to create any type of content you want to create, but I use it for my own tech skills niche that I'm working on. So let's get started. Let me show you how you are going to do it. So the first thing we are going to do is to get our our studio image, to generate our studio image. So let me show you how you are going to get your studio image. Now just go to Pinterest. You can go to Pinterest, or if you see anybody's image you like that you want to use, so let's go to Pinterest. You can use the same method I'm going to show you right now. So for example, let me just search. Just come down here, you are going to see search, and you click on this search button here. And when you click on this search button, now we are going to search let's say podcast. Just search for podcast. Just search for podcast. Podcast like this. So search for podcast, and when you search for podcast, they are going to give you different type of postcard video images images like this. So you can choose anyone you like, anyone you feel you like that you want to use. For example, I want to use this one here. I'll just tap on it. Now I want to use this. I'll just click on this 3 dot here, and you click on download image. Now when you download this image, I'm going to show you why we download this image is just to get this prompt so that we are going to generate image like this for our own. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go to your browser, go to where you are browsing, and you go and search for image to prompt like this. This first one you are seeing here, you just tap on it. Now when you tap on it, you don't need to register. All you just need to do, just click on this upload side, and you upload the image you just download right now. Now this is the image. We upload the image. Now this is just like a bonus part I'm showing you guys right now. After you upload the image, you come down here. When you come down, you click on generate here. Now after you click on generate, it's going to generate the image for you. So the prompt used to generate the image. So just wait for it. Just click on this verify, and it's going to write out the prompt used to generate this image. This image is going to write out the prompt for you so that you can use the prompt. Now this is the prompt here, as you can see, a man with a short dark hair, so something like that. So just copy it like this. Copy, you please see copy here. Now when you copy, you can go back to ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT, or you can use any other AI tool like Google, Gemini, or any AI tool you like to generate your image. So just click on create image. Now you upload your own image. Let me upload my own image. Let me upload any image of myself, any image of yourself that have your face. So you can just upload your own image. So I have different images. Now I can upload this image already. I have this image. I'm just showing you guys how you can create your own image. So this is my own image I create. Maybe I can just upload any selfie image of yourself, and the prompt you copy right now, you paste it here. Make sure you read the prompt very well. As you can see, like this one, it say a man with short dark hair and a beard wearing a dark. So I don't have beard, so I'm going to remove here like this. I'm going to remove here like this. So let him be a man. And let's say me, I'm going to change him to me wearing a dark suit shirt, all these things, table, all these things. You just read it. If there's anything you don't like here, you can change it and you click on generate. Now, when you click on generate, you know you have uploaded your image. ChatGPT is going to use your reference face to generate this image for you. So just allow it to load, and ChatGPT is going to generate the image for you. And when ChatGPT generates the image, I'm going to show you how you can turn this image to video for free. You don't need to pay for any AI tool to do this. So all you just need to do, just pay attention very well. Now, finally, as you can see, it has generated the image for me. In fact, I like this one. This is the one I'm going to use for my next video. So I like this. I'll just click on download up here, and it's going to download the image. As you can see, it matched my face. The way the man was sitting there, that is exactly the same thing here. Now, after you have got this, what you need to do, let's just download the image network. Let me download it again. You click on download up here, and it's going to download the image. So after you download the image, now the image has been downloaded. The next thing is to start your videos, your video. And to get your video, you need this master prompt. This prompt here, this prompt is what you need. Just copy this prompt, and to get this prompt is going to be in the comment section of this video. So let me just copy this prompt, and after you copy this prompt, you can use ChatGPT. Just paste the prompt on ChatGPT. Just paste the prompt on ChatGPT, and when you give it a space and you come down below the prompt and write any type of video you want to start creating, any type of video idea you want to start, you can start creating. Just put your video idea. Right now, for example, I will say video, let me say video idea. I'll write video idea. I'll give it comma. I'll say how to make Samsung Galaxy faster. So this is what I just want, how to make Samsung Galaxy faster. I'll just click on continue like this. Now, when you click on continue, because of this master prompt, everything has been prompt. Everything has been prompt. You don't need to do anything. That is why you need this master prompt. It is the one that I'm using to generate all my videos. This master prompt you are seeing here. You need this master prompt. And to get this master prompt is going to be in the description of this video. You are going to see a link where you are going to get this master prompt. I'm sharing this master prompt with you guys. I've not shared it with anybody before, but you need this master prompt with a token amount of money. If you pay the money, you are going to get this master prompt. Now, you can see it says scene 1 here. As you can see, scene 1, the dialogue, as you can see, opening screen, everything, how the thing will be swiping, just the way my video is. You can use ChatGPT to do it. As you can see, you can use ChatGPT, or you can also use Cloud AI. Also use Cloud AI, this AI tool here. You can also use it. As you can see, this is what I'll be using here. As you can see, this is what I've been using, and it's writing everything for me. All I just need to do is just to paste the prompt, and I will write my video idea. Let me write the video idea again. Here, as you can see, I'll say write about this, this. Then I will say how to make Samsung Galaxy faster. So I'll click on generate, and when you click on generate, it's going to start writing the video for me. Everything is going to write it. So I'll just be copying it and be pasting, copying it and be pasting. I don't need to do any hard work. As you can see, now it has written the voice. If you don't want this voice, you can change it to your own accent, but I'm using Nigeria accent. As you can see, Nigeria accent here. This Nigeria accent. If you are not from Nigeria, you want to use your own accent, or you want to use your own language, you can change it here. Now, all I just need to do is just to copy this scene 1 here. I'll just copy this like this. I'll just copy it like this. Sorry, let me copy it again. I'll just copy from voice type here like this. I'll copy it down. As you can see, it has write everything. Now, copy it down to this side. Sorry, it has not copied. Let me copy it again. Copy from here like this. I'll copy everything, scene 1. Only the scene 1. Only the scene 1. After copying it, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to Flow AI. Flow AI is very, very easy to create. Flow AI, this is the AI tool here. As you can see, Flow AI. You can download the app on your Android phone, or you can also use the browser to get the access to the app. Now, this is my account. As you can see, this is the account here. I have credit inside there. I'm going to give you free credit. I'll just click on new project here. As you can see, all the images I've been using here. I'll just click on new project. Now, after clicking on new project, wait for it to load. You click on this plus icon here. You click on image. Now, I'm going to upload that my image. This is the image here. I'll click on plus and I'll click on done. And after clicking on done, allow the image to upload. And after the image is uploaded, you are going to see how it's going to be. Let's give it some minutes. Now the image is uploaded. I'll just tap on the image. After tapping on the image, I'll click on animate here. As you can see, animate below here. I'll click on it and I will paste that prompt I just copied right now. Paste it here, and after I paste it, I'll click on this animate again. Then I'll bring it to 10 seconds. As you can see, 10 seconds here. And after bringing it to 10 seconds, I'll click on generate. Now, you see, I don't need to go and copy the phone or do things or go to studio to generate my videos. With this, it will generate the video for me. So I just need to give it some minutes. And after giving it some minutes, it's going to generate the video. So let's wait for it to complete. Let's give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video, and I'm going to play the video and you guys are going to see the video. So if you want to be generating videos like this that I used to build my own Facebook page, within 1 week, I built my Facebook page to almost 30,000 followers. This is the method I use. I was not even sitting on camera. I don't need camera. I don't need studio to generate that type of video. So let's give it some minutes. Now it has generated the video. Let me play the video so that you guys are going to see the video. Let's see.
Your Samsung is slower than it should be, and it is not because it is old. There are settings inside your phone right now that are making it lag and you never turn them off. 3 fixes already inside your phone, no factory needed. Open settings and follow every step. Your Samsung is slower than it should be.
You can see now. I'll just need to go back and I'll come down to scene 2 here. I'll just copy scene 2 here also. As you can see, I'll just copy here like this for scene 2. I'll copy for scene 2 also. I'll copy like this. As you can see, I'm still on scene 2. It is the master prompt that will write everything for you. You just copy, and after you copy, you go back to the AI tool. You tap on the image again. You click on animate, and you paste it here. As you can see, you click on animate again. The way we do it at that time. You put it in 10 seconds and you click on generate again. After you click on generate, it's going to animate the second one. So after that is how you are going to do it, to animate all your video. And after you animate everything, you are going to take it to CapCut, where you add everything together. You will now add the clip by clip together. And after you add everything together, your video will now look nice. So let me allow this one to generate, and I'm going to generate all these things here. As you can see, I'm going to generate. After that, I'll generate scene 3. As you can see, scene 3 here. And you are going to see, after generating scene 3, scene 4 also. And after that, as you can see, after that, I'm going to add everything together. I'm going to take it to CapCut, where I'll add everything together. So let's allow this one to generate. And after I generate all the things, I'm going to take it to CapCut, where I'll show you guys how you can add it together. So after you have successfully generated all your video scenes, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to CapCut. So just head over to CapCut. Let's open CapCut. Now we head over to CapCut. You click on new video. Now you are going to add all those videos clips together. Now these are all the video clips here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you click on add. Now these are all the video clip here. As you can see, I don't want to play this video right now because this video is going to be posted to my Facebook page. But as you can see, the video clip here, so everything is added together and we have one long video. So this is how I do, and I was able to build that for a Facebook page you guys just see earlier, that Facebook page. So all you just need to do, just come down to test and you add your own auto caption to the video. After adding the auto caption, you set everything and export your video, and you post your video to your Facebook page. So this video, I'm going to edit this video, adding the caption, and I'm going to post this video to that Facebook page and within 24 hours, you are going to see how many views this video is going to get. So if you want me to also teach you how you are going to do it perfectly the way I'm doing my own one-on-one class, if you don't have the idea or you don't understand what I just teach right now and you want one-on-one class, I should teach you how you are going to create videos like this for free, how you are going to be getting your ideas that you'll be posting so that you'll be generating videos every day. You can generate up to 10 videos a day, up to 20 videos a day, and you'll be posting. You can chat me up, just check my bio, or you check the comment section of this video, check my bio, you are going to see my number, you chat me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to teach you how you are going to do video like this. But just know that it is not free. My teaching is not free. So if you are interested, you let me know and I'm going to teach you. And the master prompt, if you need the master prompt I just use, this master prompt I use here, if you need this master prompt, it's going to be in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video. You are going to see a link there. Copy that link. Just click on the link and it will take you to where you are going to get the master prompt like this. All you just need to do is just to click on buy now, and you click on buy now, and after you buy it, you are going to be using the master prompt to be generating all your videos, and within a week you are going to get your page monetized. So see you guys on my next video. Now you guys have seen everything, how you are going to create your own AI twins, how you can be creating the content, and how you will be editing it, how you can do everything. All you need is just the master prompt. If you get the perfect prompt, it's going to do all the work for you. You don't need to do anything. The master prompt is going to be in the description of this video, just like I said, or the comment section of this video. So go and get the master prompt right now and start creating videos, building your page without you going to studio, without you showing your face, without you facing camera, just know it and face it right now. So see you guys on my next video.